Use NoodleTools to help you create and export an annotated bibliography in MLA or APA citation style. An annotated bibliography is a list of information sources on a given topic to assist with research. Each source will include a citation, a summary, and an evaluation of the source in relation to your topic. Other elements may be needed. Check your instructor's assignment requirements carefully before getting started. To begin your annotated bibliography in NoodleTools, create or open a NoodleTools project. With your NoodleTools project open, select or add a source where you would like to add an annotation. You'll find that the last portion of the citation builder is where you will compose your annotation, in the blank text box labeled Annotation. NoodleTools will save your word entry periodically, but you do have the option to save at the top of the page just to be on the safe side, or click Save when you're finished entering your annotation. When you have completed the annotations for all of the sources in your project, NoodleTools can then export a fully formatted annotated bibliography. Select the Export Print option near the top of the Sources page. To customize the output file, like line spacing, editing the page numbers, or changing the title to read Annotated Bibliography, choose Formatting options, make your edits, and close the dialog box. To continue exporting, select once again the Export Print option and choose the file format to immediately download or open your annotated bibliography. Note that you can still edit most of the files to add any finishing touches. For more help with this resource or any other library resource, please feel free to contact us.